Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today for the presentation on the North City Water Reclamation Plant Expansion Project. My name is Monica Smazinski, and I am the City Project Manager. The North City Water Reclamation Plant is the city's first large-scale water reclamation plant. This facility services the northern San Diego communities and provides reclaimed water for landscape irrigation and industrial uses. As part of the Pure Water program, the North City Water Reclamation Plant will undergo an expansion of the treatment capacity to allow the plant to treat up to 52 million gallons per day on an annual average basis. The major scope elements associated with the expansion of the plant include the following items: construction of new primary clarifiers, expansion and reconfiguration of the existing secondary clarifiers and aeration basins into first and second stage bioreactor basins, construction of new secondary clarifiers, a tertiary filter, and chemical feed systems. This project also includes the construction of a new pure water facility, influent pump station and pipeline, which will convey tertiary effluent from the North City Water Reclamation Plant to the future pure water facility. And lastly, this project includes equipment upgrades throughout the various treatment process areas. These upgrades are necessary to bring the plant capacity up to 52 million gallons per day. The project has been split into two construction packages. Package 2 entails all the work required to expand the treatment capacity to 52 million gallons per day, and Package 3 includes the construction of the new pure water facility, influent pump station, and pipeline. These two packages will be bid in December under a single construction contract. Another component of the expansion project is Package 1, which consists of constructing a new flow equalization basin. This construction package is planned to be bid in May 2021. This rendering shows the location of the proposed improvements at the North City plant. As you can see, there are several process modifications which are being implemented, and there are also new facilities which are being added on to the existing plant. There are several project challenges associated with the expansion of the North City plant. One of the obvious challenges is that this project will be constructed at an existing facility that is currently in operation. This site is already built out and is very constrained and congested, so space is very limited. Another key aspect is that the plant must remain in operation during construction to continue production of reclaimed water for distribution. Also, another complexity is the interface and the critical tie-ins between the North City Water Reclamation Plant and the future Morena pump station and the pure water facility. There are challenges with construction resulting from limited and scheduled shutdown windows for tie-ins and for individual pieces of equipment. Lastly, there are commissioning complexities, which will require the expanded North City Water Reclamation Plant to be commissioned individually and then tested and operated concurrently with other pure water projects. The major equipment and materials for this project include electrical substations, which will need to be replaced throughout the plant, fine bubble diffusers and aeration blowers supporting the first and second stage bioreactor basins, and pumps and motors at the pure water facility influent pump station. Please note that this is not an all-inclusive list, and there are other pieces of equipment which will need to be installed as part of this project. We are planning to advertise Package 2 and 3 in December 2020, and construction notice to proceed is anticipated to be issued around July 2021. The currently estimated construction cost for this bid package is approximately $194 million. Please note that the estimated construction cost is subject to change and will be updated in the future. The updated cost will be released at the time this project is advertised. This concludes my presentation, and thank you for participating.